Why 60% Americans can't handle a $1,000 emergency and how to fix it. What if your car breaks down tomorrow, or you suddenly get a $1,000 medical bill? Shockingly, 60% Americans cannot afford a $1,000 emergency. In this video, I'll show you why this happens and how you can fix it step by step, even if you're living paycheck to paycheck. Problem: most Americans think, I'll save later. My credit card is my emergency fund. But here's the truth. Credit cards, high-interest debt, not safety. One emergency, months or years of stress. What is an emergency fund? An emergency fund is cash saved only for emergencies like medical bills, job loss, car, or home repairs. Not vacations, not shopping, only real emergencies. How much should you save? Start small. Step 1, $1,000 starter fund. Step 2, 3 months of expenses. Step 3, 6 months for full security. You don't need to do it overnight. How to build it fast, 4:30 to 7. 3 simple rules. 1. Automate savings. Even $25 a week equals $1,300 a year. 2. Save first, spend later. Treat savings like a bill. 3. Keep it separate. High-yield savings account only common mistakes. 7 to 8. Using credit cards, saving nothing because income is low. Mixing emergency money with daily spending. Conclusion plus CTA. An emergency fund doesn't make you rich. It makes you safe. Start today, even with $10. Subscribe for more USA money and credit tips. Disclaimer, mandatory. This video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. Please consult a professional before making financial decisions.